Okay, last video, part 3b, polynomial section, but the last section is Hosking, graphing x plus 4, x plus 6, drew the graph on the side, explains why she's wrong and how he, 2024, can't be commenting on that, but let me correct that so I don't get confused. Explain why she is wrong and how she could have avoided these mistakes. Well, first off, A out there, 1, if A is greater than 0, then convex. 2, how do you avoid that? Just know it. 2, if y is equal to a x, take h, x take, it's not, in this context it's not h and k, x take b, then intercepts are at x equals a and x equals b. So the intercepts here, I spelled intercepts wrong, intercepts here should be -4, 0 and -6, 0, because they're positive. Not 3. What's wrong with me? 3, y int is in wrong place. Because it's concave, not convex. Those are the 3 points. How it's wrong. How could you avoid these? Review how quadratics work in intercept form. Sketch the correct graph on the set of axes below. Well, I threw shade and said that the y-int is in the wrong place. Now I need to find it. So y 0, when the equation is x plus 4, x plus 6, 0 plus 4, 0 plus 6, 4 times 6, 24. So the y-intercept needs to be at 24 and the x-intercepts need to be at -4 and -6. This scale on the y-axis is not going to work. I need to go up by 4s, I think. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. I won't do the other ones. Where is the vertex going to be? Well, we can see that the axis of symmetry is going to be at x is -5. So substitute that in. Y is -5 equals -5 plus 4, -5 plus 6. -5 plus 4 is -1. -5 plus 6 is 1. -1. My scale is -4, so it's going to be like there. So it's going to be a bit pudgy. The wine sipped at 24. So drawing skills. There's your quadratic. Sketch the correct graph. Done. Rhinoceroses are introduced to an Indonesian island. Expected population after n years is given by. State the value for A. Started with 8. A in the form y is equal to A times by B to the x. A is the starting value, therefore A is equal to 8. Interpret the value of 1.03 in the formula. 1.03 as a percent is 103%. Therefore, P increases by 3% every year. In this context, find the expected population after 25 years. So P25 is equal to 8 times by 1.03 to the power of 25. Calculating the other side now. 1.03 to the 25 times that by 8. It's going to be 16.75. Therefore, 16, what are they? Rhinoceroses. Rhinos after 25 years. You may be wondering, why didn't I round up to the nearest rhino? Because 0.75 is not a complete rhino. So after 25 years, I'm still going to have 16 rhinos. It's going to take a bit longer than 25 years to get this full one. So when you're talking about real life things that exist, there's a little trick there. You need to round down to the nearest whole. Okay? Once there's 40 pairs of rhinoceroses, a new colony can be formed. When is this expected to occur? So we're saying that there's 40 rhinoceroses. It's equal to 8 times by 1.03 to the power of... a sec. They're messing up with the... It says X and then it says N. I'm going to go with X. I need it to get in the form where there is no multiplier there. What's the opposite of timesing by 8? Dividing by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. It's equal to 1.03 to the power of X. Now I can use my natural logs. So apply natural log to the 5. Apply natural log to the 1.03 to the X. Why is that useful? Because when something's a log, the power of this number can be applied to the front of it as just a multiplication. Why is that useful? Because the opposite of timesing by ln 1.03 is dividing by ln 1.03. So x is going to be ln 5 over ln 1.03. Calculated time. Let's see if this calculator can handle natural logs. Yes, it can. ln of 5, bracket, divided by ln of 1.03, bracket, 54.45 years, 54.45 years to 2 decimal points. Find in general form the equation of the circle with center 2, 1, and which passes through point -3, 3. You need to find the radius of it. So radius between those 2 points, radius is distance between center and point. So radius is going to be the square root of point x coordinate of 2, which is -3, take away x coordinate 1, which is 2, squared, plus, we're doing Pythagoras here, and the y's, the second coordinate y is 3, take away the first, which is 1, squared, It's equal to the square root of negative 3 take 2, negative 5 squared, plus 3 take 1, 2 squared, is equal to the root 25 plus 4, equal to root 29. So the equation of this circle in center radius form is going to be x take 2 squared plus y take 1 squared is equal to 29. What is that in general form? Expand the brackets. X squared negative 2x negative 4x plus 4 plus y squared negative 2y plus 1 equals 29. X squared plus y squared negative 4x take 2y, 4 plus 1, 5, 29, x squared plus y squared, take 4x, take 2y. Opposite of adding 5 is taking 5, so 29. Take 5 is 24. Find in center radius form the equation of the circle shown below. Radius is 1, 2, 3, 4. Radius equals 4. Center is at 2, negative 2. Therefore, x take 2 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 4 squared, 16. Is that it? That's the end, I believe. Hopefully that helps you out. And sorry for breaking it up, but that's life. And see you in the next video.